I'm Danielle. I'm 9 years old, and I come from the USA. I've been dancing for 3 years at Bonnie and Kathy's Dance Showcase. I hope you, 7 epic dancers, choose me as your new Saturday. I dance every day for 3 hours, so that would be about 20 hours. I hope you guys enjoy. So, here's what I want to show you guys. I can do jazz, ballet, I can do jazz, ballet, contemporary, hip-hop, and lyrical. But today I'm only going to show you contemporary, and I have 1 minute to do so. Hope you wish me luck, and hopefully you choose me.
Journey, struggle through the night for something new. I mean, I could go on and on and on. Lantern burning, flickered in my mind. Only you, would you stay calm
I hope you guys enjoyed that audition. Once again, I'm Danielle. I'm 9 years old. I've been dancing for 3 years, and I hope you guys choose me as your new Saturday dancers. See you guys hopefully next week.